Sweet soft bowl. Prepares 396 gulab jamuns. Packs 10, 4 containers. Container consists of the jamuns or but have equal number of pieces. Find the number of pieces he should put box so that the boxes is to it. Yes, please do.
Ma'am, what's the last word?
It's least. Yes. Okay. Few students have already responded. Ibad said 18. Okay, so now you have also found the HCF. Okay, yeah.
I also got 18.
Yeah, I can see everyone is doing it. Yes, HCF we need to find. Okay. Using the least number of boxes, we need to understand that maximum number of sweets must be packed in each box. Hence, HCF. So yeah, now we are going to start with polynomial. One last question. If this y is there, then here 4 is there, here x is there, here 3 is there, and here 7 is there. We have to find x and y.
Ma'am, is it 21 and 80?
Which one is 21 and which one is?
X is 21 and Y is 84.
Okay, x is 21 and y is 84. Let's check it. Yeah, here nothing but just factorization is there. Y got factorized, y got factorized, and we ended up getting 4 into x. Then x got factorized, and we ended up getting 3 into 7. So, can we find x? Yeah, we can find x by doing the multiplication. It will be 21. Yes, perfect. Okay, and y will be 4 into x. So, 4 into 21. That means 84. Okay, perfect. Let's continue. Now we are going to discuss polynomials because the remaining question from real number, most of the question, you have already done those type of question in NCRT. Okay, try it. You will be able to do questions from real numbers. And if you find any question where you are not able to solve it, you are getting stuck, please let me know. We'll be discussing it over here. We are moving to polynomials now. Just a moment. First question is the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3x minus m plus 3 are Yes, what are the zeros of the given polynomial? Anyone who have done?
Ma'am, I got it as m plus 3 and negative m.
Plus 3 and negative m. Okay, let me write it. We will check it. M plus 3 and negative m. Yes, anyone else who have done? Okay, let's do it. So we are having a polynomial. We are having a quadratic polynomial and we have to find zero of this particular polynomial. Now for finding the zero, we understand the process. Whatever polynomial we are having that is equals to zero, we'll be taking and we will try factorizing it so that we can get the x values. Here x value will be getting in terms of m,
I
completely
got the
okay.
answer same.
Maha has also got the same answer. Maha and Zanab, two students have solved it. Anyone else who has done and have got the same answer, or maybe you have got the different answer, different. Okay, let's do it. So we are having x square minus 3x minus m times m plus 3. Okay, we will try splitting the middle term. Of course, is equals to 0 because we are trying to find the zeros. So let's solve this quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. So x square minus 3x. Now, first step for splitting the middle term is first identify what is A, what is B, what is C, and then do the multiplication of A with C. Whatever you are getting as a AC, try splitting that. Can you tell me what is A, what is B, what is C? Maha.
A is 1, B is minus 3, C is um m into m plus 3.
Yeah. Minus M times M plus 3, right? Yeah. So we'll do the multiplication of A and C. I said that we don't have to worry about the sign because in teacher chapter we have learned so well and we understand how to arrange the numbers. So M 1 into m times m plus 3. Now we have to do the factorization of this one. Do the multiplication. 1 into anything is just the same thing. Then after that, we'll be thinking about doing the factorization of the same. Okay. So that those two factors we are trying to find, which added together or maybe subtracted together, will generate the middle term that is 3. Okay. Will generate the middle term that is 3. And I can see here they have found m plus 3m. So yes, both check it. Both added together or maybe subtracted together will generate the middle term 3. Check it. The first one is m plus 3 and the next one is 3x, not 3, mx. Mx. Okay. Sign we are not sure about. Like, okay. For now, we need minus 3x. With the help of this m plus 3x and mx, we are trying to create minus 3x. Now, if you are having confusion what we are doing, check it. That's what we were having as a AC. AC is nothing but m into m plus 3. And if, while thinking about doing the factorization, we don't have to do anything. It is already the factorized form. Okay, and the same form we are writing while splitting the middle term. Now, minus 3x we want to create. So, of course, here we'll be taking minus sign and here we'll be taking plus sign. Think about it. When you will open the bracket, it will be minus m, minus 3, okay, and here plus m. Minus m plus m will get cancelled out and we will be left with minus 3x. Here, the circle part, whatever I have circled over here, that is minus 3x. So from here, we will be able to generate our middle term and hence we are done. Okay, and hence we
Ma'am,
are
I did
done.
definitely.
Yes, Maha, how you have done?
Like over here, multiplied minus m into m plus 3. So I got x square minus 3x minus m square minus 3m. So I took the squares to the one side, like switched minus 3x with minus m square. So I got x square minus m square minus 3x minus 3m equals 0. Then x square and minus m square will be a square minus b square, the identity I used. So I got x minus m into x plus m. Then I took like in minus 3x and minus 3m, I took the common side, like minus 3. So I got minus 3 into x plus m equals 0. So we got x plus 1, x plus m and x plus m were 2. So I took that common as 1 in bracket. And then then the rest is like x minus m and minus 3 is left. So I took it another bracket. From there, I like put x plus 1, x plus m equals 0 and then form the zeros and everything.
Yes, this one is the easier one than the process which I am explaining you. Okay, splitting the middle term is working over here and fine. But this one which Maha has followed, this one is the easier one. You can keep x square. Faizan, are you trying to write anything, or it is just happening automatically? Okay, is it happening automatically?
Sure, I didn't even use my hand to look.
Yes, every time I am getting the same excuse, but I have seen your name over here.
Teacher, what
Okay,
will I get
don't.
right? I don't even know how to.
What you said?
What will I
What
get
you?
writing because I don't even know how to do this question.
But I have seen your name. So is it happening automatically? Is there any is there any functional issue in your PC or laptop or whatever device you are using?
I don't know.
Please check it. Please check it. Okay. So yeah, we can keep we can keep this x square m square together. This is one of the identity, if you can see, and minus 3x minus 3m we can write it together. Okay, x square minus m square is nothing but just one of the identity which can be written as x plus m, x minus m. And from here, from this two term, you can take out common. What can be taken out common? Minus 3 can be taken out common, and we'll be left with x plus m. Now you can see we are having only two terms over here where x plus m is the common factor. Okay, so from there you will be able to get the x. See, x plus m and x plus m, which is the common factor, and we are just left with this x minus m minus 3. Okay, and from here you will be getting 2x value. One is minus m and another is just this one. Okay, m on the other side and 3 on the other side. So basically both way you will be getting the answer. Whatever feels convenient to you, use that process. Okay, anyone having any doubt over here how we are splitting the middle term, or maybe how we are doing the factorization over here? See, this type of factorization I think you have learned in the previous class only. Okay, in class 9, where you were having this type of arrangement, and we used to make the pairs which two can be taken together so that we can do the factorization. And this falls in the category of factorize, those type of question where just the instruction will be factorize it. Okay, so yeah, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
If 1 by 2 is a root of the equation x square plus kx minus 5 by 4 is equals to 0, then the value of k, please do it.
I'm getting KS2.
Okay. Mark 20. Oh, okay, that is the previous one. Just a second. Okay, Zanab has also got to. Yes, rest of the student. Are you solving it? Noah, Galvin, Fazan, Ibad. What are you getting?
Two.
Case 2. Okay, let's check it. Let's check it. So, can anyone say how we'll be doing it? If 1 by 2 is one of the root of this equation, then the value of k, how we'll be finding the value
By
of k?
substituting 1 by 2 in x.
Yeah.
Okay, if this is a root, then it will satisfy the equation. Okay, we are free to go ahead and substitute this 1 by 2 at the place of x. X is equals to 1 by 2. We will be substituting and very easily we'll be getting the value of k. Let's move ahead. If the product of the zeros of
I'm getting A as minus 3 by 2.
yes, rest of the student, are you getting the same? Please check. Okay, Bad is also getting minus 3 by 2. Yes. Do I need to explain it? Huh? What are you getting? I cannot hear it. Are you getting minus 3 by 2? Yes. Aisha. See, product of the zero of the given polynomial is already given over here. Okay, product of the zero means
Alpha into beta.
alpha into beta. And what is the formula for that?
C by A.
C by A. What is C over here?
Minus 6. A is A.
Okay. Is it minus 6? C is. See carefully. Is it minus 6?
It's
ध्यान
minus
से देखो.
6.
Is it minus 6? C is minus 6. C is the constant term in quadratic equation. X square coefficient is known as A. X coefficient is known as B. And C is the constant term. But every time we will not, in the question, the quadratic equation will not be arranged. If it is not arranged, then will you get confused with ABC? If I will write a quadratic equation, for example, if I will give you a quadratic equation, 3x minus 2x square plus 5, will you take this 3 as a and 2 as a B and C as a this one? No, no, because you understand that coefficient of x square, this is a coefficient of x, whatever is multiplied with x, that is b, and the constant is c. So here c is in our question. C is
I'm getting A as now minus 24.
and what is c over here?
C is minus 1 by 6.
C is minus 1 by 6. C is the constant term without any x, and all those are c. Okay, our c is minus 1 by 6 over here. We will be substituting c by a. Let me check. C by A, that means our C is minus 1 by 6 by A. A is just A. This is the product of the root. That is given as a 4. Okay, let's try finding A value from here. So we can write it as a minus 1 by 6A is equals to 4. A we can keep over here. See, if you want to multiply 6A, 4, all you can do the multiplication together. Now from this step, how we got this step, let me clear it. Minus 1 by 6 divided with A is there. Multiplication with 1 by A. That means minus 1 by 6A we are getting is equals to 4. Okay, minus 1 is equals to 6A.
Ma'am,
You can just, yes,
you
Maha.
can just take a reciprocal of it, right? Since it's minus 1 by 6 by A, you can take it as minus 1 into A by 6.
It is fraction by fraction. Okay, numerator is minus 1 by 6 and denominator is just a. So you are taking it 6 by a, which is not true. Which is not true. It,
No, A by 6.
let me explain. Cases can be, numerator can be 2 by 3 and denominator can be 5 by 3. Okay, numerator is also a fraction, denominator is also a fraction. When we will be taking the reciprocal, we will be taking the reciprocal of 5 by 3, that is 3 by 5. Okay, this is first scenario. The second scenario is numerator is a fraction. Let's say numerator is 2 by 3 and denominator is just 8. So you will be taking the reciprocal of this only 8, not 3 by 8. Okay, 2 by 3 and the reciprocal of 8 is 1 by 8. Now the third scenario is numerator is a whole number 8 and denominator is a fraction 5 by 3. And here you will be taking the reciprocal of this denominator 5 by 3. So 8 into 3 by 5. This is how you will be writing. All the cases is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is how we have to do it. And hence we ended up getting minus 1 by 6a is equals to 4. We can just shift everything on the other side and it will be 6a into 4 and here minus 1. We will be left with minus 1 is equals to 24a and a will be minus 1 by 24. Anyone having any confusion over here?
No, ma'am.
Let's if alpha and beta are zeros of 4x square minus x minus 4, find I am having collection of some questions which I have taken from previous year question paper as well as different books as well, which is just from your syllabus book. It's not beyond your scope. This type of question can also come in exam. So yeah, few question are from previous year question paper and few question are from different books which we are having a reference book. So from there I have taken. I cannot recall the name of the proper book because different questions are from different books which we have collected together and it's kept in our library. So from there I have taken.
Okay, ma'am.
So if alpha and beta are zeros of this 4x square minus x minus 4, find quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 1 by 2 alpha and 1 by 2 beta. Done. Can we do it? Let's do it. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the given polynomial, this is the given polynomial. Alpha and beta are the zeros. Okay, we have to find a, yes, anyone trying to say anything? Okay, we have to find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are this. Okay, so by using this 1 by 2 alpha and 1 by 2 beta, we will be able to frame a quadratic polynomial. Okay, we know when the zeros are known, x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, let's check it. Ibad has answered that it is x square plus 2x and 1. Let's check it. What are we going to get? Is it same? Whatever he has found. So 1 by 2 alpha, 1 by 2 beta we are having. With the help of these two zeros, we will be able to find the quadratic polynomial. That is x square minus sum of the zeros times x plus product of the zeros. Okay. In front of that k, this will be the family of quadratic polynomial. Okay. Where the zeros are 1 by 2 alpha and 1 by 2 beta. Now we are having one polynomial, that is 4x square minus x minus 4. Here alpha and beta are the zeros. Okay. Here alpha and beta are the zeros. So 4x square minus x minus 4. Here alpha and beta are the zeros. Let's try finding the zero of this particular polynomial. So is equals to 0. We are trying to find the alpha value and beta value. Let's find it. 4x square. It will be 4 is there. Splitting the middle term. What are the zeros you are getting? Anyone? Minus 2x. Minus 2x. No. It is 4. 4 times 16, right? Just a moment. Yeah. 4. 4 times 16. Which two factors you have used? Anyone who have done the splitting of middle term? Yes or no? No? Let's try finding. 4. 4 times 16. 16 we need to do the factorization by using two such number which added together or maybe subtracted together will make 1. Let me check, have I written the polynomial correctly? Just a second. Yeah, it is 4x square minus x minus 4. Let's check it. 8 2 times 16. 4 4 times 16. Let's check by using the quadratic formula x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2. However, we must use the splitting of middle term because this is from the second chapter. I'm just checking it. Yes, Ibad, you has, okay, is there? B square is 1 square minus 4 into a into c. C is minus 4. into plus. Yeah, by 2 is this is not a perfect square number, and that's why we got stuck. Okay, our roots are 1 plus root 65 by 8 and 1 minus root 65 by 8. Our alpha value is this, our beta value is this. Okay, I need to check is there any misprinting or what in the question. Okay, otherwise if this is the question exactly, then